And new tonight, the Rochester League of Women Voters raising concerns about a new voter registration bill being considered in the House. It's called the SAVE Act and would amend the current law to require proof of citizenship. But as 13 WHAM's Daniel Finkelstein reports, some are concerned the bill could disenfranchise some voters. Daniel, good evening.
Good evening, Matt. The bill requires birthplace identifying IDs, passports, birth certificates, and so forth. And while some feel the bill could make the process difficult for married women, others disagree. The bill was introduced in the House in January and is co-sponsored by 90 Republican representatives. The SAVE Act, or Safeguard American Voter Eligibility, requires people to provide proof of U.S. citizenship when registering to vote in federal elections and spells out the criteria.
Proof of citizenship could be as simple as a birth certificate, if you still have the name that was on your birth certificate, or it could be a passport.
She says this is where it gets complicated. Not everyone has a passport. The Department of State says there were nearly 170 million passports in circulation in 2024, a little less than half of last year's estimated population.
If we have a birth certificate, if that's our proof of citizenship, a lot of women change their names either when they get married or when they start living with someone. They could bring in a birth certificate, but they wouldn't have a proof that why they have the last name that they've been using all those years.
Stephanie Watson volunteers with the League of Women Voters working to get people registered. And while the bill includes a clause to address cases of discrepancies like name changes, Watson feels it will do more harm than good.
This is just another way of suppression, another form of it, just coming in a different time, different avenue.
And Matt, the Monroe County Republican Party argues the bill will ensure only U.S. citizens are voting in federal elections. In a statement, Chairman Patrick Riley told me, quote, while the SAVE Act may need some refining, the concerns about it disenfranchising married women are a red herring. The act, in fact, mandates the creation of a process to prevent citizens with legal name changes from disenfranchisement. Matt, back to you.